Hey everyone, welcome to Unboxing with Val. My name's Val, and today's video is a Fab Friday. It is Fab Friday, so happy Fab Friday to you all. If you don't know what Fab Friday is, it is FabFitFun unboxing, and FabFitFun unboxings go up on Fridays. So there will only be 4 FabFitFun unboxings a year, just because FabFitFun is only a seasonal subscription box, which means you only get boxes for each of the 4 seasons, which is spring, summer, fall, and winter. Today's season, or today's box, is summer 2023, which I am super excited for. It doesn't even feel like summer yet, in my opinion. I'm in San Antonio, Texas, and I feel like summer is when it's like 90+ degrees. It feels like spring here, and I think spring felt more like winter. So we're in the the end of May, and it's been like in the 80s here, high 80s. Maybe like the highest that it's been is 90, but when I think summer, I think like 98 or 97, like the high 90s, which we haven't gotten there yet, so maybe in August, but I don't know. Anyways, so I've got my FabFitFun box over here. This is the box, and it is like maybe from the shoulder to the shoulder. I feel like it's longer. Anyway, so this is the box, and in the front it says the shopping club, or FabFitFun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. And it was curated in California. So this is the box. And then on the top it says, "Being poolside brings me joy." And then on the back it says, "Summer 2023 FabFitFun." So let's go ahead and open this. FabFitFun is one of my favorite subscription boxes. I have been subscribed to them since fall 2018. No, fall 2019. That was when I first got my FabFitFun subscription. That's when I first started it, and I did have to take a break for a little bit, but I was able to finally resubscribe and get FabFitFun, and I'm super excited to be unboxing these. I love unboxing these boxes and making these videos for my unboxing channel. Like, I've done it so many times, but on my other channel I've done a lot of FabFitFun unboxes, so I will probably have those videos linked down below so you can all see them, and I can show you those ones. Let's go ahead and open this. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. I'm super excited. Okay, so it says, the first thing that it says is Milk Makeup, live your look, Kate Spade, New York, explore some of the internet's best deals. So if you want to scan this, I don't know if you can, but if you want to scan that, you can explore some of the internet's best deals. And then it says, deals for days. Save up to 30 to 80% at FabFitFun.com. Deals every week on all your favorite brands. Liquid Death is a sponsor, so if you buy 1 Liquid Death, you can get 1 free Murdered Thirst. You can shop Ole Henriksen, and you can even enter to win $1,000 if you share your fave FabFitFun finds. All you have to do is tag hashtag FabFitFun finds, hashtag FFF giveaway, and at FabFitFun. See insert for details. And then it says, "Thank you for shopping. Have a nice day. FabFitFun." And then that's not all, but it says, "Come on in." Okay, so I'm gonna put this box down so I can have an easier time opening it. And I'm just gonna pull out the first thing that I see. So the first thing that I see is this. So I believe I picked, well, I guess we'll count as we go. So I picked this one. this is the Beach Riot Beach Club beach towel. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so it's a microfiber towel. It feels microfibery. And it's actually a really good size, and it's really pretty. So I chose the colors in the blue, the pink, and the white. And then this is like the branding of the logo that it has right here. And this is, like I said, this is the Beach Riot Beach Club beach towel, or you can even use it for poolside, and it is a microfiber towel. So that is the first item in the box that I pulled out, and let's go ahead and get the next item. Okay. The next item is, okay, so I picked this too. It is actually a motivational 32-ounce water bottle. Let's go ahead and take it out. And I picked this because I want to get better at drinking my water. The brand is Pop Sugar. So this is the Pop Sugar one. And like I said, I want to get better at drinking my water. So I did get this. What's cool about it is it has like the times. So it has the times, and I love the color. It's like a teal color almost. But like I said, it has like the times of when you should be, of how much you should be drinking and when. So I guess like from here to here, you should have had that from 8 to 8 a.m. and then from here to here from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And then it has like little inspirational, motivational phrases. For example, it has ready, set, hydrate. You've got this. Get ready to glow. Cheers, you're halfway there. Drink, drink, drink. Sip, sip, hooray. And then it says, well done. Now repeat. Go ahead. You can do this. So from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. you should have probably drinking from here to here. And then you start all over from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. And like I said, it's just 32 ounces. And you just fill it up until the 32-ounce mark, and you're good. So this will most likely help me. It should help me drink my water. And then it has a straw. I love straws. Makes things so much easier just to drink it out of the straw. And I gotta wash this before I use it. I like to wash I like to wash a lot of things before I use it. So gotta wash this, gotta wash that towel. But that was that water bottle. I'm super excited to use that and be taking that around with me wherever I go. And let's go ahead and get the next item. Okay, so the next item is Dunn. So I believe I chose this too. And these are actually, it comes in two pieces. Two pieces to this. What I love about FabFitFun is that you can get products for your home. You can get home decor, you can get kitchen items, you can get stuff for yourself like water bottles, you can get clothing, like fashion items, from jewelry to, like I said, clothing. Actually, funny thing, this necklace that I'm wearing right here, it's actually from FabFitFun. And then you can get like scarves, you can get makeup and skincare items. So FabFitFun is a really great lifestyle box in my opinion. I know some people have issues with them. I haven't come across any issues with them so far with like repeat items or items that I don't like. I actually got a cute little like rug, like a cute little rug for, not my entryway, well it could be used for your entryway however you wanted to use it, but I got a little rug, and I think I got that one in like my first or second FabFitFun box, and I kept it packaged and stuff until I was able to get my first apartment, my own apartment. So when I moved to San Antonio from San Diego, I unwrapped the little rug, and I was able to use that at my little apartment. So I've gotten some great things that I've liked so far, but some people, they have had issues with FabFitFun, which, you know, not everyone's gonna love it all the time. I happen to have not had any issues. So let's go ahead and show you these. Okay, so these are Dunn. I don't even know what they're called. It's a set of Savor and Enjoy square bowl set. So I guess you could put like sauces in here. And yeah, you know, you could. So like you could put sauces in here, like dipping sauces, and one of them says Savor, and one of them says Enjoy, and the brand is the Dunn Artisan Collection brand. And they've got cute little pink, or not pink, like they're green on the inside. So you could put like dipping sauces. If you like guac, you could put guac in them. You could put salsas in them. Just however you want to use them, you can use them. And they're cute, a cute little addition to your kitchen and your, yeah. Next item, okay, is the 2 bands. Okay, yeah, so I picked this one too. So there's like I said, I picked most of my items. And I did pick this one because I did want a cute little spot to display my jewelry. So what this is, it's like a little, it's circular tray type of thing. And this is probably how I'd use it, and you could just like stack it up, or put it on the like your bathroom sink, and just put like jewelry in it. I did think it would be like a little, like you could collapse it, but that is this, and then you can also keep it closed if you wanted to keep it closed. So just kind of like that. And this brand is the 2 Bandits. It's the 2 Bandits, what would they call it? Tiered catch-all tray. So like I said, I'd maybe put jewelry on it, just to display some of my jewelry. I could put this necklace on it that I'm wearing. I could put my bracelets in it. So I'm excited to use this one. It is a little bit smaller than I was expecting, but it'll still work as something cute to just display my jewelry, and I've never really had anything. And maybe even rings. I could stack up rings on here. I just have to see if my rings would fit. Next is Sunday Citizen. And this is a resin bath set. Okay, yes, I chose this too. I swear it's like Christmas. Okay, so I chose this because I do have 2 bathrooms, and I wanted something nice. Oops. I wanted something nice for my bathroom, or one of the bathrooms. I don't know which bathroom I'm going to put it in. I haven't decided if I want to put it in my bathroom or in the guest bathroom. But what it is, it's just like a bathroom set. And it's kind of feels like a rock, like a stone, stone smooth finish, like a smooth stone. And it's got these this pretty accent gold, the gold accents to it. So this is the soap pump, and then this could be, you could put your toothbrushes in here, or like combs, or just stuff in here that you might need to put in here. Toothbrush, toothpaste, and it's got this marble quartz kind of finish to it. And then what else? I'm trying to think of it kind of it's a little sparkly too. If in the lighting I see a little bit of sparkle. But that is this. I don't know which bathroom I'm gonna put it in. I haven't decided yet, but I wanted to get something for the bathroom, or one of the bathrooms. Okay, anyways, next is, I chose this one too. I'm super excited for this one since summer's coming, and I do have a pool with my apartments, and I do know a few friends who like to throw pool parties. I wanted to get a little pool ring, and that's what I'm super excited for. It's all gold. It is the Sunny Life Pool Ring Gold Disco. It's got like gold flakes on the inside, and it's all gold. I'm super excited for this. And whenever I want to like have a pool party, maybe I can throw a pool party at my apartment. I don't know. And take this with me. So I'm super excited for this. I'm not gonna blow it up, but that's that product. And then the last thing that I picked, actually no, there's like 1 or 2 more items. Anyways, I picked this item too. Let me just open it. It is the Gaiam. It's the Gaiam foldable yoga mat. So that's what it looks like. And actually no, this is what it looks like. It's got like stars and star formations, or what are star formations called? I don't even know. Like, it's got star formations. And it's just Gaiam. That's what it is. And it's like this navy blue, like it's like the night sky almost. And yeah, I'm excited to use this and go back to yoga. It's been a while since I've gone to yoga, but I've been wanting to go and I'm ready to go back. So I'll be probably using this yoga mat for yoga. Anyways, I think there's one more product. Yep, there's one more product, and it is the Caviar, or no, the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Mask for your hair. I've got like 2 of these, well not this exact one, but I've got like 2 ones similar to this from FabFitFun. So I don't know if I'll be keeping this. I might regift it. But it does rejuvenate dry hair, so I'm not gonna open it. I don't think opening will do any harm. Yeah. It just smells like hair product to me, in my opinion. It just smells like hair product. But it just, this comes in this like purple and gold container. So that is that. And I think that's all. And they don't have a magazine. So sometimes they have a magazine, but these last 2 boxes they don't, or they haven't. So I'm wondering if maybe they don't do the FabFitFun magazines anymore, which would be fine. But that is everything that I got in my FabFitFun box. I did get 2 add-ons. I know the yoga mat was one of the add-ons, and I think the towel was another add-on, but I can't remember. Not an add-on, but they're like, it was like an extra pick. Like I decided to do an extra pick. So yeah, so those are everything that I got in my FabFitFun box. I enjoyed unboxing this and being able to show you all what FabFitFun can offer you. And then if you have any questions, comment down any questions that you may have below. Don't forget to subscribe to my unboxing channel. I love these unboxing videos. I love watching them, and I love recording them. I think it's super fun to record. So if you are interested in watching more of my unboxing videos, subscribe down below. It just helps my channel grow. And not only that, like the video for FabFitFun, like the video for lifestyle boxes, and like the video if you liked and enjoyed anything that I got in my box. And yeah, I'm excited to see y'all next time. Bye everyone.